In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Wish gift card. While the name suggests a traditional gift card, there's an important update you should know before we begin. Official Wish gift cards are not currently available for purchase on the main Wish platform. Instead, the best way to create a gift-like experience is to use Wish's built-in reward system to generate a discount and apply it toward your shopping. Think of it as turning your points into savings you can use to buy a present. Start by heading to the official Wish website and logging into your account. Make sure you're on the legitimate site and that your connection is secure. Once you're signed in, look for your profile. This is typically found at the top of the page. Clicking your profile takes you to your account area, where you can manage your settings, orders, and, most importantly for this video, your rewards. Inside your account, find and tap Rewards. This section shows your current points balance and any available offers. Points are usually earned from past purchases and occasional promotions. Here's where the gift card alternative comes in. You can turn those points into a reward discount. Follow the on-screen prompts to convert your points. The system will let you know what discount you can claim based on your balance. Confirm the conversion so the reward is issued to your account. Next, redeem the reward by clicking it. You'll typically see a button to claim or apply the discount. Once redeemed, the reward is active and ready to use. You should see a confirmation, and in many cases, the discount will appear automatically when you check out, or as an option, you can select a checkout. Now start shopping on Wish using your reward discount. Add the items you want to your cart and proceed to checkout. Look for the reward to apply to your order total. If you're shopping for someone else, this is where the savings act like your gift value, helping you purchase an item at a reduced price. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Check the reward's expiration date and any terms, such as minimum spend or category limitations, so you don't miss out. Keep an eye on your points balance and repeat the process whenever you've built up enough points for another discount. And always avoid sharing your login details. That's all there is to it. While Wish doesn't offer traditional gift cards right now, converting your rewards points into a discount is a straightforward and effective way to create a gift through savings.